Welcome back. All right, so today we're gonna do some Halloween DIYs. I don't know if you're ready for Halloween like I am, but I am. All right, so this one is super quick, super easy way to make a Dollar Tree wreath for Halloween. All right, you'll start out with a hula hoop. You got to strip it down so you can paint it. And if you have the pool noodle, I cut mine down to that, but you can cut it several different pieces to do it all over. I didn't want to do that. I painted it black, opened it up, slid the pool noodle on, closed it back up. So my pool noodle is over the opening part. And once you're done with that, then you can just stick in different floral type decor from the Dollar Tree to finish yours off. I stuck in the flowers on both sides, and then for the middle I kind of just filled it in with the flowers themselves, you know, because they pop right off, and they have a little stem to them too, so you can just poke them in. You can hit it up with a little bit of hot glue if you want to make sure it stays extra secure, but you can do it whatever way you want. You can also use some of the Dollar Tree little decor to add a little extra to it, but I thought it was cute and simple just with the flowers and the little sparkly twig things. I don't know what you call those things, but I thought it was cute with just those pieces. And even after you pluck the flowers off, because it's Halloween, I used the sticks from the flowers, like the stem part from the flowers on the other side, and it doesn't look bad because, like I said, it's Halloween and it's a cute little stick to put in there. All right, so that is it done. It looks cute, simple, and it looks chic. Like you could just leave it up, you know, up until Halloween, and it would just give you that look. All right, now let's get into the next one. For this one, I had a different idea when I first started it. I bought a bunch of different stuff, and I was like, I'm gonna make it like a candle holder. So the skulls were gonna be the base of it. Dolly said she wanted to help me because anytime I'm on the floor, she wants to help me. But these skulls too came in different colors. I couldn't find a bunch of the white color. That's the color that I really liked, but I couldn't find a bunch of that color. But the little holographic color, I like it the way it is, so I didn't want to paint it anything different. And like I said, I was thinking about doing it as a candle holder, so I was just going to glue them on top of each other straight up and down so the candle could stay, you know, nice and still. But then as I started doing it, I was like, oh, maybe I'm not gonna do a candle holder. But the first thing you would do is remove the stickers so that everything could stick together nice. You put a good amount of glue on them, and then you'll just stack them up. You could do it by the jaw or by the base of the skull, whatever the flattest part is, so that it sits good on top. But like I said, when I was in the process of doing it, I changed my mind, so I went by the jaw. So they have like a odd kind of not straight up and down, so when they're not straight up and down, it's kind of harder for the candle to stay on top. But once you glue it, you just hold it for a little bit and make sure everything sticks nice and good. And then because I changed my mind, like I said in the middle for the 30th time I've said that, I put a base on it and just glued that down too. And then I'm gonna use them as bookends. I have to go out and get more so that I can put it on the other side of the books also, but I just glued it at the bottom, glued it to that. That's another candle holder thing that I had got from a Dollar Tree a while ago. It came with like a metal, like a gold metal piece in the inside. I didn't like that piece, but I kept the bottoms, so I just glued it into that. But you can glue it into anything for the base, or you could just leave it by itself, but I think it makes cute bookends. So that's it for that one. Okay, now on to this one. All right, first off, let me start. I saw these cups at the Dollar Tree, and they have them at Pottery Barn, $25 a piece. I'm assuming their base is like a metal or something like that, but they look exactly the same. I was going to use it for a bowl base. I was going to use the short one for a bowl base, paint the bowl black, and paint the hand a little darker so that it matched with the bowl top. But Saphira liked them so much that she was like, oh, she's drinking out of them for the rest of the month. So I just used this little bowl from the Dollar Tree. And this candle holder that I had is an old candle holder from the Dollar Tree also. I had something else in it before, but I took it out. But I needed to elevate the candle base. And then I just took and did a good amount of glue and glued the bowl on top of that. So now it's a little bit taller and it has the bowl. And then I hit that up with some black spray paint. And once that dried, I attached these guys. They look so good. I have these little brown things hanging over them. They look so, ugh. But it's perfect for Halloween. So you just want to get it on there as flat as you can with the feet. And then this is it. So that was it for today's DIYs. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.